Guys, we have a new piano in the house, PSR Yamaha E473. This is the latest version of the E series, all right? So it came out some months ago. So we just got it for in our church. So I just want to show you some new things, and so I have a series of lessons on this piano so that those who have it can learn a lot. Okay, so the first thing that I'll be teaching you today will be how to transpose on this piano. There are two different ways that we can transpose on this piano, all right? So I'm going to show you those two different ways. So I'm going to show you the two different ways, okay? So, and also the use of this shift button, because this shift button plays a role, a big role on the piano. All right, so let's go, guys. So the first thing, we want to on the piano, okay? So when you want to on the piano, you just come to this power button, you just press once. All right, when you press once, the piano comes up on automatically. So okay, now our piano is on. All right, how do we transpose? So we'll transpose while using the shift and these octave buttons here, okay? Because this shift here, let me just explain the use of this shift button. The shift button function in such a way that you see it's the shift now is encircled with it's highlighted with a rectangular something. So all the buttons that have that rectangular button, the rectangular stuff, you access it by pressing the shift simultaneously, or press the shift while holding the shift. You now press the button. So for example, you have record here. If I press the shift now and press the shift while holding the shift, I press now, I will now have but audio record. Same here, if I press shift and hold on this metronome, I will now have time signature. So that's how the shift, just as on the computer, okay, we have shift. We use the shift to access access other things, or to use as shortcuts and all the like. So, or to access other functions on the computer. So that's how it functions. So I'm going to take my shift. I press my shift, then I long press the shift, then I press this octave button here. Now it will take me to transpose. So now I have -1. You see, I can increase it if I want on this die button here. All right, you see, or I use this plus and minus, the plus and minus sign here to increase. So another way, to transpose on the piano, okay, is another way to transpose on this piano is to go directly to the function button. Okay, so if I take function, this function button here, if you look keenly, if I press on function, okay, it will take me automatically on transpose. Okay, and maybe if you change it, you go to some other things like range, main volume, and all the like tuning, right? So it's on transpose, but notice that there's nothing that is showing up. So in order to access the transpose, you have to press enter. Okay, so if I come to enter here, okay, see, there's enter on my piano. So let me press on enter, you see. Okay, now I've pressed on enter. Now you see it comes up. So in that case, now I can change, right? Change using the die button or the plus and negative sign here. Can change it here as well. So guys, that's it for this session. I have other videos coming up for this beautiful piano. All right, so do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.